Hi, I have had these jars for almost a year now, and they are the wee yogurt jars because I've been eating those like every day for a year. And what do you do with these cute little jars? They're adorable and they're glass. And so originally last May for Teacher Appreciation Week, I wanted to make these really cool painted jars, and I have a ton of aloe vera, so I was going to put aloe vera in there. And then I found out painting like with the paint pen would not work, and so I did something else. I don't remember. I have a video of it, and now I've been doing a little bit of research and I wanted to try something else. Originally, I wanted to do hydro dipping, so it's where you put water in a bucket and then you put paint and then you dip it in. I was like, oh yeah, that'll work. And I have a ton of acrylic paint like these. And then I found out acrylic paint sinks. So the people that do that use spray, like acrylic spray paint. I didn't want to like go and purchase a bunch of new stuff because I've got probably 24 of these different colors. So I did find, I turned off all my things. I turned off all my apps so I could focus and record. I will put her name. So I was going to link or share the video that I watched in regards to the painting of the glass jars, and I cannot find it. I don't know where it's at. I looked through all of my history on a couple of my YouTube channels and it's not there. It's like I imagined it or something. I don't know. Anyways, if you have seen a video about painting with jars, link it down below because I don't know where it's at. But here's what I did, and I hope it helps you. So what I'm going to do is use Trial 1 alcohol inks because I did buy some of these a while back for my card making, and it's a lot of fun, but they're so expensive. I haven't wanted to use them. I feel like they're like precious and I just don't want to use them. So I'm going to do that, and that's one option. And then my other option is to do the acrylic ink, but I'm not going to do either one of them in water. Number one, it wouldn't work. I think the alcohol inks might, so maybe. Don't hold me to it. Who knows? When I get into it, who knows? In her video, she used saran wrap, and she put the paint on the saran wrap and then wrapped the jar with the paint and the saran wrap. Lovely HEB. And I'm going to use my grocery bags. Sorry if you're up north and you use recyclable ones, or you don't have an HEB because you're missing out, because HEB is amazing. Anyways, tangent over. I'm going to cut them up, open them up, and put my paint on there. I'll do acrylic first and try that and see what it looks like. And then I'll do the same thing with my alcohol ink with the plastic bag and see which one I like more. And then I will put aloe vera in them because I do have a bunch on my porch. Probably give them to like my grocery delivery lady because I don't shop. Shopping is awful. So if you do want your groceries delivered, try Shipt. The link is down below. And while they're shopping, I'm doing stuff like this. So it's worth my time. 17. That's a weird number. I have 17 and we'll see what we can do. So let me readjust my cameras and we'll get to it. And how I do it is I cut from the handle to the corner edge, down the side, across the bottom, and then up to from the bottom to the other handle. Okay, there's my first one. one reminds me of wildflowers. Oh yeah. Pretty. I didn't do any more ink to that one. It's a second press. I like it. I do have quite a bit of white, so I think I might do kind of a base. Can you mix acrylic and alcohol? We might just do that. I love this one. These two are metallic and they're gorgeous. It's pretty, but there's a lot of paint on it. I'm not quite sure about that. All right. These will just have to take a while to dry. Alright, acrylic is definitely messier. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying to color some glass jars. And I hope you learned something, or at least were inspired to try something of your own. All right, thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Turn my phone off. Now is it focused? I don't even know if I'm recording. I don't know why my screen's black and white, or if it's supposed to be black and white. Please be focused. Please work. Because if not, I'm just gonna turn my phone off. One sec. Something else I was gonna say, and then I went to plug shipped and I forgot. Hi. You wanna say hi? Come on. Oh. No? Okay. Oh, I can't reach.